If it was just a chomer, physical, and you're liberated, and that's it, and you don't need all that. Your firecrackers, banging noise like humming, and parade, and you do what everybody else does. But since it has to do with the soul, which is holy, so the holiness can only be through ruchni, understanding, which is rules and regulations of laws, and the spiritual things and mitzvahs. Otherwise, that's the only function and form it can be.
But instead you feel like a slave,
Well, I know. When I was younger, I used to be a waiter in a hotel. We'd have to serve all these people. It was a pioneer hotel, So we would sing Avodah Dimrayinu. We were in the hotel, whatever the hotel was. And we would, after they all finished, we'd sit down almost half exhausted there. We would have our Seder. But at the end of the Seders we had, we understood that what was slavery and what is freedom mean. And this is we're imposing on ourselves because we feel good that we're dedicating ourselves to Hashem and doing mitzvahs. But imagine you have to do all this work being forced, no future, no reward, nothing, no appreciation. Do the same thing. No reward, no appreciation. Constantly, all the time. Mean masters. Well, here it's an expression of it. It's a happy occasion to be able to give your total being to Hashem, rather than being slaves to Paro. You're being self-sacrificing, giving all you got to the mitzvahs. Don't call it slavery. I was in South Africa, so I had this guy driving around, and stole a black sword. Don't call me we're freedom fighters. The other thing, you're a mitzvah kid. You all get it? Anyway, that's the basic message. I want to talk to you. Yeah. It's okay, it's only good thing.